Causative verbs show when someone causes another person to do something. The verb get is used when you persuade or convince someone to do an action for you. For example, she got him to help with the project. This means she persuaded him to help. The structure for using get in causative verbs is subject plus get plus person plus to plus base verb. For example, I get my brother to clean the room. The subject is I, the person is my brother, and the action he does is clean the room. You can use get when persuading someone to take action. For example, she got her son to do his homework. Or, the boss got the team to finish early. In both cases, someone convinced another person to do something. The verb get has two important uses in causative verbs. First, get plus person plus to plus verb means persuading someone to do something. Second, get plus object plus past participle means arranging for something to be done by someone else. For example, she got her hair cut yesterday. When you use get plus object plus past participle, it means you arrange for a service or action to be done for you. For example, I got my hair cut or she got her car fixed. This shows someone else did the action on your behalf. Here are more examples of get plus object plus past participle. We got the house painted, meaning someone painted the house for us. He got his suit cleaned means he arranged for his suit to be cleaned. Remember two main structures with get. First, get plus person plus to plus base verb, which means persuading someone. Second, get plus object plus past participle, meaning arranging for something to be done by someone else. Try changing these sentences into causative form with get. I fixed the computer becomes I got the computer fixed. Someone washed my windows becomes I got my windows washed. This practice helps you understand how to use causative get correctly. The correct causative sentences are I got the computer fixed and I got my windows washed. These sentences show how get is used to express that someone else did the action because you arranged or persuaded it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.